Starting, guys. Honda CB400 rebuild. Let's get after it. Welcome back to ColdStart Garage, guys. February 10th, 40 degrees out. Trying to build you guys some content. So, I have to put the CB400 back together. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do the right thing. I'm gonna clean this mess down, and we're gonna paint her. Just the frame, we're gonna do a rattle can. Later on in the reassembly process, I'm gonna do something a little different with the tank and the plastics. So what are we gonna do in this video? We're gonna paint this, and I'm gonna sort those parts, get some stuff on order, because I wanna start assembling this. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I gotta get all that greases out of there, and yeah. Obviously I can't paint it outside because it's 40 degrees, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do there later. What I mean by that is I'm gonna take it to my father's heated pole barn and get this up to something above freezing, because paints don't like to stick to cold metals too well. Was that even good English? I don't know. Brr. We're gonna reassemble a Honda CB400, 1979, somewhere around there. It's in boxes. This could be part one of I don't know how many parts, but we're gonna do a little series here. So I got this frame. This bike was acquired by a friend of mine. He just said, hey, you want a bike? Yeah, I do. So I went and picked it up in pieces. Some assembly required. I got all kinds of motorcycle parts on the front porch. We're gonna sort through them, and we'll see how far we get in this video. I hope you guys like to see me building on it. Cold out here. Need a hose. Need a beer. How are you gonna paint this, Adam? Well, I don't have a fancy air compressor that could handle the pressures of a paint gun. So for the frame itself, I'm gonna show you, but it's definitely gonna be a rattle can. It's gonna be a high dollar restoration. Arrgh. I don't want to do this anymore. Professional. I could probably just spray right over the dirt. I'm not gonna do it. I want to. So we're gonna do things a little different than I typically conduct business on a ColdStart Garage. Being it's a motorcycle, and it might not always be in my possession, I want to keep some of the backyard mechanics to a minimum. I do have a manual, so we're going to be torquing things and make sure I don't need this thing falling apart, not going down the road 60, 65 miles an hour. Let's avoid killing somebody or myself. It's gonna need water, all the water. Yeah, water's a ticket. Weird, whoever thought that? Get a little Dawn dish soap in there. Hopefully I'll cut the grease. I mean, not many people are gonna see the frame, but still, I want it to be presentable, I guess. Couldn't wait to do this till spring, Adam. No, I couldn't. Why would I wanna wait? Still got a little problem, guys. I don't have an engine, not yet. I think I'm gonna have to beg my friend, because he wants it for a go-kart motor. And I get it. I just think it'll work a lot better as a motorcycle motor. What a weird concept. Get me in there. Guys, I hope you appreciate what I'm doing. I'm trying to be more consistent with content. I normally don't produce movies in winter, just because of this reason. I don't have a shop. Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. I typically don't produce content in the winter because I don't have a shop, and this sucks. Luckily, it's a mild winter. I'm not standing in a snowbank like normal, because I wouldn't do that. I don't like you guys that much. All right, I need a scraper 9000. Oh boy. This really needs to be soaked. Arrgh. It might be too cold to clean right now, but I'll get it. I'll probably take the kickstand off. The center stand is a unique fastener on her. I'll just work around the center stand. I'll probably need like a Brillo or seal wool or something to get this debris off. So obviously I gotta rinse this off. Thinking about taking it to my father's house and hitting it with a pressure washer in the middle of winter. We'll see how he likes that. He might not. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna rinse this off with a something. It's gonna grow into something nice. Let's get some of the soap suds off. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Guys, I don't know if you could tell. I'm not a professional bike builder, but I do know how to have some fun. Oh yeah, we need some Brillos, water in it. And I hope this thing turns out to be awesome. So yeah, we're gonna do a functional restoration. So if you guys are like me, and I know you are, at least the guys are still hanging around this video, we're not made of money. So budget it is. All right, what do we got over here? What are you trying to find, Adam? My loose marbles. I want to find the steering tree because I gotta know what I'm missing. I gotta order some stuff. Steering tree. Oh, hey! Is that it? Kind of looks like it. All the bearings are missing. Okay. Does that just come off? Tell me how this works. Really just threads out like that? Oh. Did I tell you I was not a professional bike builder? But I know you guys are here for entertainment. Be entertained. Okay. Just did some learning. Good thing I got this book over here. Oh yeah. That was easy. The sprocket looks good. I am surprised that these wheels are not weather checked. I might not have to buy new rubbers for this, which would be awesome. The seat looks like it's in pretty decent shape. I got 2 holes right here, but I got a leather patch cut. We might take care of that on this video. We'll see. Dang old ball bearings. It's like 100 of them. Or 37 to be exact. Chris, what the hell? you really just take the steering trees and there's all those bearings. You know these are $2.95 a piece? It'd be like over $100 worth of bearings, for Christ's sake. Yeah, I'm yelling at the guy that gave me this bike for free. You wanna know why? Because he's gonna laugh his ass off. That's why. This is like the best entertainment I can give the guy is my misery. I'll count these later. I figure you guys be amused with that. I'm starting to sort like the chrome, the fuel tank. Now that's just over there, but I'm just trying to get some stuff together. There's a lot of exhaust parts I need to sort out. I might be buying stuff. Maybe not. It might be in one of these boxes over here. Dang it! Shh. I'll buff out. There's stuff in there. Oh, I'm having fun. Well, there's buckets of parts everywhere. So, on the next scene, I'm just gonna focus on. Why down? Filming. So I'm just gonna focus on the procuring parts to get the steering tree installed. I'm gonna rebuild the forks. They're already out, might as well. And then, yeah, they'll be on the next video. I gotta procure parts, then we'll take care of that. It'll be its own special video. Trying to get the frame into a roller. I just gotta reduce the amount of parts I got laying around, that's all. Well, what parts do we got? We got a front tire, forks, we got a rear sway arm, rear tire, seat, steering tree. Looks like most of the exhaust is there. And I'm thinking that the rest of the parts are somewhere over here. Probably gonna have to be replacing some stuff. Bucket of bolts, airbox, chain sprocket, rear shocks, whatever that is. Another bucket of parts. Lights, brakes, battery box, stuff. Fenders, side panels, wire harness, handlebars. Looks like the brake caliper and all that's on there. I'm sure that master cylinder loves being upside down. And we got some chromes, tank, that, and more bags of parts. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. I found most of the bearings. They are filthy. So I want to soak them, see if I had to replace any of them. I know I'm missing a couple. I want to soak them WD, maybe some engine oil, clean them up, see if they're worth anything. That'll work. Gasoline. Alright, so we got the frame here, a couple parts, pressure washer. I'm done messing around. Frame is cleaned and prepped. I like to fill all the threads and stuff with tape so I don't get any overspray in there, so I don't have to chase them, so I don't have to tap and die set. So what are we gonna paint this with? Rust-Oleum engine enamel. It's good up to 500 degrees. And also, I can paint right over the grease and dust and everything that I did not get off this frame. It's gonna be just like brand new. Yeah, I'm trying that out. Bam, bam. Guys, I'm not much of a painter. And I'm starting to feel a little funny in the head. Maybe I should have wore a respirator. Too late now. It doesn't look too bad, I guess. Don't need to worry about that running. I'm just trying to give it a light coat. Painting in the dark. I know that it has this bright light, but oh boy! Bam, 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 bam. Man, I hope this stuff looks good when it's out in the sunlight. Normally that's what I would do, just for one, I don't have a shop. Two, is just much better lighting outside. Alright, that's enough. You guys see this when it's back at my house. Whew. Wow. Guys, I'm not a painter. I'm gonna have to dial in my my inabilities if I want to keep doing this kind of work. Luckily, it's just frame parts. I'm gonna need a little bit of practice by the time I get to the tank and the plastics and all that. And if I have to, I will call and, well, pay somebody for their professional services. I don't want to do that. I want to see if I can do this on a budget. We'll see. Order some parts. Since I'm just getting into this project, part stores and this and that, I'm not up to speed yet. Ordered 2 ball bearings for the steering tree. They're missing. Supposed to have 37, I had 35, so I ordered 2, $10 for 2 ball bearings. 2. I ordered the rebuild kit for the forks. It comes with 2 oil seals and 2 dust caps. $60. Yeah, you heard me. 60. Whew, we're up to 70 bucks now. 1 can of engine enamel. It was $8-9. All right, so we're up to what, 90 bucks right now, and I don't have an engine yet. Edit all this down and get you guys some content. I'm gonna try every week. We'll see if my part's coming in time. That being said, subscribe. Watch this playlist. I'm gonna come back and edit this for the bike stuff later. Thanks for watching ColdStart Garage. See you in the next video.